Hey, howdy, Chet here in DeSoto, Texas, South DFW. So Best Western called me up the other day and they were like, Chet, we just launched this brand new hotel concept, built the first one in Texas. You wanna stay there? I said, obviously. All right, so this is Glow. It's a brand new concept from the minds at Best Western. A big, bright, modern, boutique hotel experience. I kind of feel like I've stepped into some trendy person's Instagram feed.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. All right, let's go check out the room. All right, here it is, the moment of truth. Oh, yeah! Dang, check it out. Dude, this is something straight out of a design magazine, man. Look at all the color. And I'm gonna need a chair like that in my house. And I got like 20 places to charge my phone. 1, 2, 3. $21, $22, and that's not even all of them. Woohoo! And another great thing is it has all those Best Western standbys we love so much, right? Free breakfast, woo! Free Wi-Fi, woo! And rewards points, woo! I mean, what else do you need? I like it. But let's go check out the rest of the hotel, huh? Whoa, fitness center. Oh, and a giant hot tub. So, I was planning on leaving the hotel to go grab dinner, but when I checked in, they handed me this card and a code to find all the local restaurants in the area, many of which deliver straight here to the hotel. So, I think we're staying in tonight, boys and girls. What do you think? Mexican food? Yeah, Mexican food. Boom, just met the driver downstairs, having a little in-room dinner. Oh man, I should have gotten a bigger cup. Oh, hey, I forgot to mention they had these new, like, incredible gel-topped mattresses. So, anyway, just wanted to add that. Good night. Wait, did I tell y'all how incredible they are? Because I'm laying on it right now, and it is, whoo, it is fancy, let me tell you. So, anyway, just wanted to add that. Oh, and good night. Yeah. All right, so y'all know it wouldn't be a proper Best Western stay without breakfast, right? Ooh. So I got the full day ahead of me, and hopefully you just got another reason to keep exploring. So now, Glow, get rewarded. See what I did there? Change the slogan. It's actually go get rewarded. I am on today.